can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
I don't know why is the phone
No
not
problem.
working.
Remove that D1 to F1. Now
Okay,
first we have to give match what? So we have to
okay,
match mobile, which is
mobile.
actually E10. Click on that,
Okay, okay.
comma,
Mm-hmm.
match from where? D1 to F1,
Okay.
comma, exact match, so 0, close
Mm-hmm.
the bracket, then add 1. And then range lookup is make it false.
This would be true or false, right?
Hmm,
So,
make it false. Now you change that and see. We move Dell to Apple.
mm-hmm.
Enter. Apple mobile is 70,000. Make it
So
desktop.
let's. Okay. Hmm.
Okay. See if you are.
I will be practicing this the entire day tomorrow. The last 45 minutes have been really like helpful. I would be going through the videos over and over again, and I'll make it a point
Okay.
that I at least spend 3 to 4 hours tomorrow on this.
Okay. I'll just take over control, and I'll just show you
Okay.
a couple of things to give you idea of how we use it. Okay.
Okay. Just a second.
No, you don't have to stop. I'll share, it will stop automatically. You
Okay.
can see my screen.
Yeah.
Now, along with this, I'm going to
Mm-hmm.
send you a list of Excel sheet which you can keep with you, which has
Okay.
all commonly used function examples.
Okay.
1 minute, let me see if I have it. All right. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, it's visible.
So this is an example of what we built. This is like an invoice where I have the name of the vendor, name
Okay.
of the company selling, like Capital
Okay.
or Sales Emporium or any
Mm-hmm.
of the. So it's ABC Electronics, Garia, and they have their GST number.
Okay.
And here I'm going to ask the customer to enter their number. So that could
Okay.
be like Alpha, Beta, Gamma,
Mm-hmm.
Alpha Traders, and maybe he's not from West Bengal,
Okay.
because if he is from West Bengal, then your SGST and CGST gets calculated.
Absolutely. Yes.
But let's say he's from Odisha. What is the code for Odisha? Do you
Just a
remember?
sec.
I think it's 26. Let's just say 26. It
Okay.
might be Karnataka also, but whatever. It's
Yes.
non-West Bengal state. Okay.
Yes.
When I say enter, see what happens. There's no SGST, CGST calculated.
Okay.
Only IGST gets calculated.
Okay.
And I have here my different brands and different items.
Okay.
So suppose from the brand list, I choose Samsung, and from the item, I choose desktop, the price changes to the Samsung price from the price list.
Okay.
All that the salesperson has to do is plug in the quantity. Let's say 3, my data gets automatically calculated, subtotal gets calculated, GST gets calculated, grand total gets calculated.
Hmm.
And see, I opened it today, so automatically the
Mhm.
date changed to 20th November.
So it synchronizes by itself.
Yes.
Okay. Fair enough.
Okay.
Perfect.
Now, based on this, my price list, where is my price list
Mhm.
coming from? This price list, if you see, it's a VLOOKUP.
Yeah, it's in the other sheets, I guess.
Yes. I have a sheet
I'm
3 where I
yes.
have these brand and these prices.
Hmm. Hmm.
So based on this, I can choose anything and see by default, I have a 0 here. If there is an error, if error, it's going to
Mhm.
return a 0. It will not return a value error.
Okay.
Because suppose
So
somebody by
will not
mistake does
be
something.
hashtag rev
Yes. Yes,
exclamation mark.
those kind of things to overcome that. So there's an if condition for that. If error, then what? See,
I
in
see.
this case, the value came out to be NA.
So value of error, since it is already mentioned that you have chosen
Yes.
0,
Yes.
which would be the fetch result
Correct.
if
If I
it
don't
returns
use this,
an
problem
erroneous
with this
value.
is if I don't use this and I put a VLOOKUP, it is still
Yes.
expecting a value there,
Yeah, it would show as any. Yeah.
NA. Then this one gets messed up, this one gets messed up, everything gets messed up.
Hmm.
Got it?
Got it.
Okay. Now let me show you another. This is just an application of what we were talking about. VLOOKUP, matching,
Right.
if, all that. Now, this is Excel function dictionary.
Mhm.
If I go to function index, I have a list of different functions that are here. Around 158
This
functions.
is a library of all the functions that we
Not all, most.
for the
Most
analysis.
commonly used ones, I would say. You
Okay.
can do a
Perfect.
sorting. So they will all be sorted alphabetically.
Okay.
And then like the ones that we did in the last class also,
Mhm.
split phoneme, surname, like we did this.
Mhm.
So if you want to see this, click on view. You are taken to this. Alan David Jones, you want the last name. and they're telling you how to derive the last name
Perfect.
along with some examples. Find the middle name. We did the first name, last name, right? You could also
Mhm.
have like Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Kapil Dev Nikanj, Sunil Manohar Gavaskar, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, right? So in that case, you have one for first name, one for last name, and another for the middle name. To go back, click on index. You will go back there. Let's say you're looking at dates. Age calculation. Click on view.
Mhm.
Here you have the birth date, years lived,
Mhm.
months lived, days lived. So dated if we had used
Yes, I remember this.
today, they did this with, they didn't type the date anywhere else. If you remember in our example, we had typed the date in another cell. And the other way is date minus date, like we did, divided by 365.25.
Perfect.
You were asking about index. You
Mhm.
can click on index, click on view. Here's an example of index. Weeks,
Mhm.
people. Week 1, a person 1, 2, 3, 4. Week 1, he earned this. Week 2, this much. Week 3, this much. Week 4, this much. How many weeks required? 2. How many people in the party? 4, 2 and 4. So it should give you 250, which is basically the index,
Okay.
the matrix. So if you look at this formula here, what is it telling you? How many weeks required? 2.
Mhm.
D7 to G9. D7 to
Yes.
G9. Where does 2 lie and where does 4 lie? Okay. Here's another example, red, blue, green, different sizes, large, medium, small, and you can type and you can get the values. Currency, country. Examples. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if I go back, suppose you want to look at VLOOKUP. View. VLOOKUP, there are 3 examples. First one, something similar we did. This is the temperature, average temperature month wise. Okay. Then here, by using the match, they are get the name and the month and how much some value is there. So it is getting the match. Can you hear me?
Okay.
Yeah. Next, this is the example price list. That is something similar we did. Maker, spares, cost. This cost is coming from the VLOOKUP. And here's third example where there's a discount scheme going on depending on the volume. Cost is being derived using the VLOOKUP, straightforward. Discount is based on volume discount. So that is where your match comes in, but with 0 example. 0 type 1 means exact. But if I go to this, someone ordering 100 or 200 or 300, in that case,
Mhm.
I might need the help of that less than 1, less than 2, like that. So if someone is ordering, let's say 100 units or 225 units, right? What is the discount? Or 500 units, what's the discount? Because the percentage is going to vary based on which item I am choosing. Right?
Yes, as shown here.
I will have these email to you. Okay. So you can keep this with you as a, in case whenever you're stuck, you can look at this.
Certainly.
We have looked at this. Lot of these functions, the most common ones we have looked up, right?
Mhm.
And
Mhm.
some product, some if, count if, all of them are here.
I don't think that I would be needing them all, but then definitely a knowledge
Just
of
keep it
these.
with you.
Yes, absolutely. I will go through these.
You have a more wonderful one. The Excel help is there, but other than that, should you need ever?
This library, I think, should suffice, and there's ample data and information.
Yes. Good
And
examples
I'm
also.
sure I'll get stuck somewhere or the other, and I'll definitely come back to you on this. So, I have already this in my mind that I'll be sharing at least 45 minutes to 1 hour clearing all my doubts
Okay.
with you.
Okay. All right.
All right then.
Then I will let you go tonight.
Sure. So, you mailing me this library?
Yes, yes, I'll have it sent over to you.
All right, that will be